Hello everyone, what's up people? So guys, today's video is not about more vlogging. So this video is all about unboxing of my new drone, Daze Phantom 3, which I bought recently. So this is my first unboxing video, so I hope you guys will like it. And yeah, I was going to upload this video before that Namo right, but unfortunately, like I have bought this drone on Friday and Friday is a delay bhएर so त्यसले गर्दा just unboxing video बनाउन पाथिन. And on Saturday I went to Namo ride. If you guys haven't watched that video, then there's link in the description, you can check it out. This is the box and cover. This is manual and some boxes. Let's take out this remote. This is the remote of drone and box. This is the charger and so let's side mark it. And these are propellers. And this is charger. Okay, this charger and I think and this is I think you guys can see it, USB charger without any adapters. And these are for like tightening up the propellers, and I think these are for stabilizer, like camera ko gimbal ko like stabilizer use huncha yo chai. And this is manual for beginner. Okay. And here these are some stickers for the drone, like red, green, blue, red, blue. And okay, there is a manual. These are here. I think this is the thing you sub Chinese matters. I can understand this. So no use for me. And the manual of this drone. Okay, all in Chinese. So Chinese reason I have ordered this drone from China through eBay. So I think till the Chinese. I can understand. I think this is no use for me. So Chinese myself. Japanese of Chinese, and for this Chinese Japanese, and this menu are all in Chinese. No? And this is the remote control that controls the drone and camera. From here you control the drone like forward, backward, and left, right. Let's start it. Okay, this is the indicator of the drone, almost full charge, sir. Charge गरिसकेको. And this controls the gimbals like upward and downward. There you go. And charger, USB charger. This is the drone. Okay, and this is the camera of the drone and the gimbal. Let's remove these protectors. Okay. Right. And the lens protector. Memory card goes here, and yes, This is the drone, and this is the battery, the indicator that shows the battery level. And black. Let's turn it on. 1 and 1 2 on boy, and now let's so I love this music, man. So let's go outside and fly it. Connected to my phone also. Back, you can see it clearly. The size around like this much, like it feels like carrying suitcase. Purai bhatta na bhatta cha, purai bhatta dekhiन्छ. And yeah, here we keep the drone. Let's keep it now. Battery goes here. Propeller को लागि भन्दा खासै ठाउँ छैन. Propeller चाहिँ यता राख्नु पर्छ. This propeller को लागि चाहिँ like I have to modify here. This यहाँ मिलाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. So later on I will make it. And remote goes here. We can keep the charger and lens also. There. So overall, the size of the back look like this. Like this, you can see it. Now through so back. So guys, from now onwards I'll be using this drone. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share with your friends and family members. Also comment down below what you think about my drone. This much. Thank you guys.